doing a day trip with my daughter and her boyfriend. They're in my daughter's two-door TJ 2003 Wrangler behind us, and we're going to take them out on some trails today. We're going to stop and have breakfast, lunch, brunch on the trail. I think we're going to make up some breakfast burritos, something like that. I don't know. We'll get out the disc and she'll cook. Get some video later, but yeah, just doing a day trip with the kids. We've taken Brandy camping with us and backpacking a little bit when she was younger, but when she got into high school and now is in college, she hasn't been out with us much doing that kind of thing. So it's gonna be a nice day with the two of them. Like I say, run some trails, get some lunch on the trail, and see what we can find. So we're making breakfast, lunch, kind of brunch on the trail, and cooking for 4 today, so it's a little bit more food, and some of it's not staying on the disc. Dropping food, honey?
That happens all the time.
Looks like it's almost done, ready to eat. It's looking good, honey. So we explored a lot of trails today. Hit a lot of dead ends in the trail. He's using Gaia, and a lot of the trails show that you can get all the way through, but then you'll run into either a no trespassing or berms or whatever. But so I don't know how much video we actually got. By now you know. But we're working our way back home now. Maybe stop and grab something to eat, but had a good time exploring some trails with my daughter and her boyfriend behind us, and saw some good, nice overlooks that we've been to before. You've seen if you watched our videos, but a little disappointing on all the turnarounds, all the dead ends, even though Gaia shows them going through, but you just never know until you explore them. So yeah, we're gonna, like I said, it's beyond dinner time, so we're gonna find something and wrap this one up. So thanks for watching. Remember, we adventure at our level. Get out there and adventure at your level.